Christy here from MakingItInTheMountains.com, and today I am so excited to take you on a tour of our Christmas home all lit up at night. Alright, so welcome back to my channel today. I have always wanted to do a tour of our home all lit up at night for Christmas. Really, there's nothing cozier this time of year than those warm, glowing lights all around the house. Now, if you caught any of my other home tours through the Christmas season this year, you'll know that we've been keeping things really simple around here, just trying to take some of the stress out of the holiday season and really focus on what's most important this time of year. We have been entertaining in our house this season a ton. It is our first Christmas season in our newly renovated main floor, so it is so nice to have this nice big open space to spread out with our friends and family. So I really wanted to give you guys a glimpse at just how cozy our house feels all lit up at night with Christmas lights and candles flickering. It is just my favorite time of year. So I hope you find some inspiration today in knowing that you can have a nice, cozy holiday home without all the fuss and elaborate decor. friends, I hope you enjoyed this tour of our Christmas home all lit up at night. I just wanted to take a minute to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and all the best in the year to come. Thank you so much to all of you for your support both on the blog and on my YouTube channel. I am so excited to see what 2019 has in store for us. Merry Christmas.